So I want to get your opinions on this. Do you also sometimes take time for yourself? So time away to reflect and recharge, especially break from people, from the public. I do, and I think it's good. I think it's healthy, especially on weekends or time off. I think it's important to take time for yourself. But there's a but coming. When does it get too much? When do you isolate yourself to a stage of not having confidence anymore to leave the room or the house? That's concerning. So taking time for yourself is good. But my point is, when is it too much? You don't want to get to a place where you don't see people or talk to people. That's an indication of something might be wrong. I'm Lenae Nel. I'm a life coach and a mediator. Please get in contact with me if you've got any needs and any concerns.